Did you just blinker it?
That shit will kill you.
In life.
He can't talk.
No, walking like jogging.
How are you feeling, sir?
Breathing hurt.
Hit a blinker.
My leg just collapsed.
Boys, what are we doing tonight? What are the plans?
There's actually a huge banger.
Actually?
Yeah. SAE is throwing this there's water involved. It's splash something. I don't know.
Should we go to that? Or
It's like an annual thing. It's actually supposed to be really good. It's like a water party. That's why I heard. Okay.
So what's the attire then for
Water gun and swim shorts.
It's your shit.
Does anybody have to bring a water?
Yeah.
Baby, tell me if you ready. Ready for the real thing. You got them lined up and running wild, but you need a real man. If I get the chance, I'ma ask you, when's the last time you...
Drink the water! Drink the water!
Oh my fucking god!
Hey, tell you what, I'm gonna tell you like super quick and I'll put it up.
Let's go, baby. I'm counting on my blessings. So you know the right shit. Ooh, girl, I like it. I'm gonna make this night romantic. I'm gonna love you, baby. And I know what you've been dreaming about.
I'm like hurting. Why is there shit in my ear? It's from that bush, I'm telling you.
You good, T-Mars?
The road racing gray, I've been calling it granny. I caught that lamb truck in it, big panoramic. Gon' fucking on, look, shout up.
Oh my god. Oh. It's illegal.
I'll tap fucking tap.
Let's get the will.
Get up! I don't need to. I'm not going full guard now. I'm in full guard. Get up. Let's go. No, I like being right here. Get up. I like being in my bag. I like this.
You took like 3 lessons in jiu-jitsu. You're not a fucking black belt.
I'm a yellow belt. Let's go.
You're
Come on.
zero.
You can't pick me up. You can't do that.
Fuck what I did and fuck all the damage. I'm trying to kill you and your kid and your mammy. I just told the judge, man, fuck what you talking and fuck what you're saying. I'm smoking these whammies, these perks.
Hey.
Hug it out.
I'm not even dude, there's
You with rhymes, I came out this door with the guys. I slept.
Fucking man.
Right then, you won't get one, pussy.
I remember.
He's injured. Yeah.
I remember.
Dude, can you not
I
walk?
remember every
Alright, yeah.
time you come in my room to pregame and shit. I remember that.
Alright, next time I ask for a band-aid.
I remember. Just don't worry. I remember.
Why are we videotaping?
Did you get the pink Whitneys?
Yeah.
All right, Jordan.
What's up?
What's the word for tonight?
The word is fucking titty, man. That's the word.
Wow.
I'm ready to see some titties, man.
Wait, don't you have a whole ass girlfriend?
Okay, listen, here's the thing. I'm not trying to grab no titties or nothing like that, okay? I'm just trying to see the titties from afar.
Sure.
Okay? She
Sure.
won't see this, it's okay. Yeah.
Jordan, can you show? What are we gonna be drinking, man? Yeah.
You wanna let me get this shit out. This fucking pink lemonade. New Amsterdam right
Thank you
here.
to Amsterdam for sponsoring
Yes,
us and
thank
giving
you
us
for
an
sponsoring
exclusive
the
look
video.
at the new pink
This shit right
Whitney.
here is a nice little sippity sip drink. You know, no need for these. I mean, you make yourself.
No, we're gonna take them, but no
we
need
are,
for
but,
them.
you know, if you were a girl and you wanted to be fancy, then you could just put it in a nice cup with some ice and you'll be drunk by the end of your cup. So you know that's fun. So we're gonna put that back in the freezer, get that ready for tonight.
Okay.
Yes.
And tell us, are you planning to get blackout tonight?
Oh, I mean, shit. I don't even.
Well, what else would you do?
What else would I do? I'm here at state with all my fucking day one niggas. I mean, I miss these niggas, so we finna get litty titty for sure. I mean, shit, that's the move. It's my interview, nigga. It's my interview. So for sure, that's what we finna do.
I might need me some ventilation, a little vacation, Houston fornication. Mind redefine new renovations. Space cool, back out of the space station. Float around town, do that on the daily. I'm supposed to feel safe, 12 live adjacent. Yeah, crib built like a prison where that bitch is gay. Yeah, spend it.
Will!
There we go.
I've been practicing.
Look at that!
This guy's pissed. Will.
Clean that shit up.
Oh, it's too many people.
Jordan, come here.
What's up?
Let him go. Let him go. What do you have to say about college?
Man, so far, man, we've been sitting in this goddamn dorm room for like 5 hours, and I'm bored. Like, where the parties at? Where the bitty shaking titties at? I'm not, like, I can't find any of that here.
I'll shake my titties.
No, Grace, no, none of that.
Getting faded, yeah, handing out the E to the entertainment. Yeah, you know on this side it's popping and it's dangerous. Riding through the clouds, we going through the vapors. I'm just trying to get the paper, staying out the papers. It ain't easily done, it ain't easy. Papa still like it's
Got my niggas backpack and Abby Parker and said go stay in this bitch. Go stay. Yeah. Fuck West Michigan. Oh, fuck her. Get her out this bitch. Get my nigga Max, Michigan State niggas.
anyone can be your mama. Had some real conversations with my nigga Bill about Congress. We at the fest, come and link per request. Send a pin, drop it in GPS. Seeing flashes, oh no, that's my neck. I've been living paranoid, watch your step. Ain't never freeing up and never let y'all, man. We always forget, but don't forget easily. Cut my phone off so they can never reach me. Life is just a maze going through my phases. I might need me some ventilation, a little vacation, Houston fornication. Mind redefine new renovations. Space cool, back out of the space station. If it rise on the east, land on the west, we gon' make that shit pop, bust it for a check. Call the plays, link the squad, we gon' make it cash. Yeah, nobody can press me but the press.
Alright, go ahead. Backpack. This is a backpack. Got this.
He's already slammed, bro. Chill.
Now it's going inside.
For real, they come in at my neck like Gillette. I'm on the catch, that's the butterfly effect. Yeah. I've been locked in for so long, I done got dressed.